morning, everyone. Today, we bake cookies.
This is a happy Christmas a happy Christmas morning.
I like cookies. They are sweet and fun. Cookies, cookies, cookies. I want cookies. First, we prepare everything slowly.
Oh, we need flour for our cookies.
We need sugar to make them sweet. Butter, butter, butter. I like butter. Very good, Leo. Very goody good, Leo. You help us. Snowy is hungry but must wait.
Shadow is watching us bake.
Dog, dog, hello, dog.
And bake today. Shoot, you say. I help you bake today.
Thank you, Mom.
This is nice.
Grandma makes very good cookies.
The kitchen smells very good.
Christmas baking is always fun.
I love baking with family.
Now we mix flour and sugar.
I mix slowly and carefully. Mix, mix like Sophie.
Good job, you are doing well.
The dough looks soft now.
Butter makes cookies very good. The dough feels soft and soft, soft like play. Now we make cookie shapes. I make a star cookie. I make small cookie.
Yeah. Yes, Leo, you help us.
I felt display. Put cookies on the tray. I put cookies here. Cookie here, please.
The oven is hot. Be careful.
Please do not touch the oven.
Hot, hot, very hot. I put the tray inside.
Now cookies bake inside.
Now we wait together.
Let us dry-fring. Let us drink something warm.
I want hot chocolate, please. Milk for me, please. Waiting is part of baking.
Whoa, we wait a little time? Ah,
I feel excited now. Cookies soon, cookies.
the smell is very nice.
The cookies smell sweet.
Snowy is warm and quiet.
Shadow is calm and happy.
Almost ready, please wait. I smell cookies now. Cookies now. Nice. I smell cookies too. The cookies are ready now. Be careful. It is hot.
The cookies look perfect.
They smell very good. Cookies, cookies, yes, yay. Yay, yay.
That got that. No problem with this. I want to taste one, Michael.
They look delicious.
Great job, everyone. We wait before eating.
I took it here. Hot cookies need time.
I can wait and
Waiting, waiting.
Now we can eat. Now we can eat.
Thank you. This looks good.
this cookie is yummy. Cookie is good.
Baking together is lovely, Michael.
We bake and eat together.
Family time is important.
I love my family.
Happy, happy family.
Snowy waits very well.
Shadow is very relaxed.
Christmas is a happy time.
We share joy today.
I like baking with you. Me too, me too. Thank you for watching today.
See you next episode.
Thank you for watching. This is our Christmas Laura story.
Please wait for the next episode. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We share fun and simple stories for English learners like you. Merry Christmas! See you next time!